We saw the Crane M3 completed its first attempt on iPhone. Good lifting. Someone adjust the weight, please.
On my way.
The current world record in the lightweight category is the APS-C camera. A full-frame camera? It lifted a full-frame camera! Unbelievable! You can't just have strong power. Speed also matters in this game. Wow! The action was completed in 5 seconds. A new world record has been born.
Got it.
Now, attention to the rhythmic gymnastics arena. Sorry, no field lights. Wow! M3 carries a light itself, which became the focus of the audience. M3 here chose soft equipment. The shape of the flying ribbon was beautiful. It did not affect M3's pace at all.
Why are you running? I just felt like running.
Wait, what is M3 doing? It actually signed up for a beauty pageant. Oh, with the classical white, such beautiful lines.
Are you talking to me?
All good. All good. Let's get back to the game. With such amazing power and speed, steady and graceful movements, and extremely comfortable look and feel, I here announce that the champion of this year is Crane M3.